What if I told you the journey of 4 students, a team built on camaraderie, trust, and hard work, and innovation, and the steps that led them to success. ESPN Films presents a 30 for 30 documentary. Digby, the rise and fall of an empire, presented by Levi's.
At Digby, it is very important that we pay close attention to every aspect of our business. That is the only way we will succeed. It is critical that we focus on customer satisfaction, and according to our analyst reports, that has been our downfall. In an earlier round, we did not buy capacity for our new product that we were introducing, and that set us back. Since we fixed this problem and bought capacity, our margins and our working capital have been improving. Marketing is key to operating an efficient company. Although customer satisfaction hasn't been our strong suit in the earlier rounds, keeping away from Big Al has been. We only had to take out one emergency loan through all of Capsim. While keeping positive net profits, we've been able to focus more of our funds on our sales and promotion budgets in the more recent rounds. This has vastly increased our customer satisfaction. It is critical to meet customer needs because that is what drives us at Digby. One thing I learned about in this process is that it is very important to pay close attention to the minor details in order to be successful.
First off, I'd like to say that one challenge from the get-go was getting a grasp of the Capsim concept as a whole. For the first few rounds, our group was really struggling with some of the concepts, including buying and selling capacity, marketing forecast, and customer satisfaction especially. Once we kind of got the gist of those areas, we were really able to get a good feel for what we were supposed to do and how else we could make our group succeed. Building off that, I think we were really able to come together as a group and start taking the company to the next level. We were really successful in avoiding Big Al. That was one thing. And I know in our memo that we talked about, that was one of our main goals, was to avoid Big Al, and we only had one emergency loan, and it really wasn't for that much amount of money. We had positive cash every round except one, which is pretty impressive as well. Other than that, I mean, just the overall success of the company has been pretty good. We haven't really blown away the competition, but we've also not been towards the bottom. And I think just with a few tweaks in certain areas, I think we could really take this company to the next level.
Really well in round 7 on the balance scorecard. We received the highest points in internal business process, customer, and learning and growth. We have been doing really well with satisfying our customers. We put a lot of effort in promotion and sales to increase our accessibility. For our internal business perspective, we asked, what do we need to correct within our business to ensure we deliver the value proposition the market needs and expect? And we came to the conclusion to lower labor and material costs. One of our goals was to perceive the most innovative supplier to the industry, and that's exactly what we did. Overall, for round 7, we scored a 75 out of 100, which has been our best round thus far. We are now standing in the 83 percentile after round 7. Go Digby!
For Digby success measures, we made those in the beginning of the rounds, and we had an idea of what we wanted to mostly focus on. Our highest percentage was placed on market share with a 16% weight, and we still haven't quite figured out how to increase that since we only have a score of about 14.3, which is contributing to the low overall score of a 49.5 out of 100. Our other high weights include market capacity and rate of equity with a 14%, but our lowest weight was put on asset turnover, which is actually turning out to be one of our better ones. So if we could change that, we would, but we're going to choose to focus more on market share and how to increase that, and also how to better our market capacity and our rate of equity.